Wondering if you can have more than one Cash App account? The answer is yes, you can, as long as you set it up the right way. Here's how. Open your Cash App, tap your profile icon in the top right, scroll down, and tap Sign Out. This takes you back to the login screen. Now, tap Sign Up instead of logging in. Enter a different email address or phone number that the one you used on your first account. Cash App requires unique contact info for each account. After creating your second account, link it to a bank account or debit card. Keep in mind, you'll need to use a different bank or card than one already connected to your first Cash App account. To move between accounts, just sign out and sign back in with the phone number or email linked to the account you want to use. It's simple, but you have to do it manually. And that's it. You can have more than one Cash App account as long as you use different emails, phone numbers, and bank details for each one.